Check natin. Kung luto na. Okay. Mainit pa siya, guys. Sarap, guys. Wala siyang halong sugar. Dates lang. Dates, flour, yogurt, egg, of course, and oil. And of course, the baking powder. That's it. Sarap. In fairness, masarap naman siya, guys. In fairness. Moist, soft. Moist and soft, guys. Bravo. I-blender nyo ang dates with the yogurt. Konting water. Before nyo siya i-add sa inyong flour mixture. Sarap. Kunin ko yung kasi na-cut siya, guys. Yung karugtong niya. Aywa. Kainin natin. Ayan na. Yung isang slice. So, super, super moist. Sarap. Need ng coffee. Need to ng coffee, guys. So, magtimpla ako ng coffee. Ubusin muna natin ang ating lemon mint. Kailangan mong i-shake lagi kasi nagsistay sa bottom yung mga leaves ng mint. Mint leaves. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow for another mukbang, cookbang, whatever, kung anong gagawin natin tomorrow. I'll mag-work na ako, guys, 4 p.m. Okay? So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye! Share, like, and subscribe.